Everyone wants bigger arms because they're the most visible symbol of strength. People notice them instantly, especially when you're wearing a t-shirt. Big arms project power and confidence, and for many men, they're the clearest proof that their training is paying off. But here's the real question. Does any type of training actually get you there? Not really. Some methods are mediocre, draining your effort while giving you almost nothing in return. But don't worry. Today we're breaking down a calisthenics technique that requires zero equipment and can blow up your arms faster than most weight room routines. But do me a favor and focus until the end. Mechanical advantage drop sets. Mad sets are the closest thing calisthenics has to bodybuilding style drop sets, except instead of stripping plates, you strip leverage. You begin with the most demanding variation your body can handle. When you can't move anymore, you don't stop. You simply shift into an easier position and keep going. Nothing blows up the arms fast like this method. Arms grow best when you combine tension, angle changes, and extended effort. Fast fatigue when the fibers fail. Extended time under tension as you shift into easier forms. Stretch plus contraction across every stage of the set. How to perform. You start by the hardest variation you can handle. The first reps are slow and clean. Then, when the burn begins, the real set starts. You drop to an easier pattern. You grind out more reps, then drop again. By the time you reach the final variation, your arms are surviving on instinct, and that's when the efficiency of this method shows up. A practical example, push variations for triceps, pseudo planche push-ups. Your shoulders lean forward, loading the triceps hard. Diamond push-ups, you shift back slightly, bringing the hands in tight. Regular push-ups, now it's survival mode. Knee push-ups, the finish. Pull variations for biceps, regular chin-ups, chin-up negatives. Slow descents tear deep into the muscle fibers. Australian chin-ups, an easier angle, but with the biceps already torched. 90-degree biceps, Iso hold. The finisher. You freeze mid-rep, arms shaking uncontrollably. This locks the blood inside the muscle and traps every last drop of tension. Isometric lock. When the final variation is done, you lock the position and hold it for more seconds. This would trap blood in the muscle and floods the tissue with metabolites. Why mad sets blow up the arms? There are 4 main reasons. 1. Constant tension. Mad sets don't give your muscles a single moment of peace. You just keep moving, shifting leverage as your strength drains away. Your arms stay under continuous pressure, and that constant tension forces the muscle to adapt. 2. Maximum pump. From the first heavy variation to the final easy ones, blood floods into the muscles and has nowhere to go. You trap the pump inside the tissue, swelling every fiber, giving you the kind of pump that makes your arms feel like they're about to split the skin. 3. Full muscle fiber recruitment. Most people stop when the hard variation fails. Mad sets force you to keep going through easier and easier versions. 4. Time under tension skyrockets. A normal set lasts from 10 to 20 seconds. A mad set can last 45, 60, even 90 seconds of non-stop effort. Your arms experience a level of pump that normal training can't touch, like a cheat code to blow up your arms faster. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you next topics. Salute.